Balik po tayo sa may San Juan Arena. Tapos na ang 30 minutes, final 10 minutes. At mabigat ang binitawan ni Dexter Maikes bago matapos ang third quarter. That 3 ball gave them a 14-point lead starting the fourth quarter. Padilla, Euro step, and he'll go to the free throw line.
Favorite move dito sa laro na to. Yung Euro step ni Albert Padilla. He scored in the first quarter using that same move now. He gets a foul and 2 free throws.
Alam mo, partner, itong Jumbo Plastic Linoleum, 31 ang kanilang ending score nung second quarter. Nakatala sila ng 23. Malaki yan for the third. Pero kakaiba ang ginawa ng Kaida.
28 points in the third quarter to remain in complete control of this ball game.
Padilla, isa lang ang naipasok. Kaya ang score po natin ay 68-55. 13 ang abante rito ng Kaida. Our quarter scoring partner, Jumbo and Kaida.
22-15 in the first and then 40 points in the second quarter against 31 para sa Jumbo. The third quarter, ang ending natin 68-54.
So nung second, dikit lang eh, no? 2 points lang eh. 18 ang Kaidas, 16 ang Jumbo. Pero yung mga ganyang maliliit na bagay, after that good first quarter play of Kaida, aba, if you put the small things together, yan ang resulta.
And hindi binibigyan ng kumpiyansa nitong Kaida itong Jumbo. Sure, you'll get 4 points straight.
Yes.
Mabababa mo to 8. But then we'll score 4 more. We'll score 6 more. Tataas ulit namin sa 12, 13.
May sagot eh, no?
Oo eh. And if you're the team trying to come back into the game, nakakaubos ng energy yung mga ganyan.
And if I may tell our viewers, nung tinira ni Maikes yung 3-point shot na yun to beat the buzzer, kita ko yung iling ng ulo ni Marcy Arellano. Doon na eh. Parang they wanted to end with those free throws. Okay sila going to fourth quarter. Kahit na down by 11. Pero that free, mabigat sa balikat ng Jumbo.
And if you're the defense, the one shot that you'd be willing to give away was a 3-point shot from their worst 3-point shooter.
Sa sentro.
Yun yung bibigay mo sa kanila eh. But they made it. So wala ka ng ibang magagawa but just shake your head.
Mintis ang una ni Padilla. May pangalawa pa yan. Coming right up and pasok. At si Padilla is also joined by Egilos, Lopez, Arellano, and Martinez. Maikes, sabi niya, hindi daw chamba yung una. Oo nga, hindi nga.
Eh, nagkakumpiyansa pagkatapos pumasok.
So, we could call it back-to-back threes.
Yep.
Ending the third and starting the scoring here in the fourth. 6 straight points from Dexter Maikes.
But he committed his 4th personal foul in that play, so uupo muna.
So, Maikes with a smile at in-acknowledge naman ni Coach Mike.
Alam mo yung partner, yung mga titira mo lang pag nakita mo na yung substitute mo nandun na sa scorer's table. Yun yung mga ganong tira ni Dexter Maikes. Nakita niya papasok na tong si Marvin Hayes. Napasok niya naman yung huli niyang 3 points. So why not take another one?
Parang mga bata tayo. Teka lang, ako muna. Papalta na ako eh. Papalta na. Pero Viernes answers with his own 3. 71-59. Still 4-point lead. Meron ng 13 itong si Viernes. Robles, Villarey. At yung kanyang exhibition sa ere, mabibigyan siya ng 2 free throw. Coaching staff ng Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. They're trying to discuss ano pang gagawin nila dito. And if I'm not mistaken, si assistant coach Gonzalo Catalan, I will have to verify yung katabi ni Coach Stevenson Tiu. Kanina yung matangkad na mama. Used to play for UE.
Oh. Tanong natin mamaya.
If I'm not mistaken, I will verify that in a few. Villarey Robles. The Ilonggo great. Missing his first free throw. Kaya 12 pa rin ang abante. Coach Mike Mundia on your screens. Game face pa rin kahit na 12 ang abante ng kanyang kapunan. Second is good. Split for Robles. 8:40 remaining dito po sa ating laro. Pangalawang araw pa lang po ng PCBL Founders Cup. 8 koponan ang naglalaro. Pero isa lang ang tatanghaling kampiyon. Viernes. Terzo ipinasok na rin dito. Cross court. Marcy. Arellano. Running shot. 1 foot on the air. Pasok.
Very patient zone offense para dito sa Jumbo Plastic. Hindi man nila mapasok sa 3-point line yung bola until there was just 7 seconds left in their shot clock.
Plus yan pag meron kang XPBA na kasama. Sanay sa pressure. Sanay sa shot clock. Marvin Hayes. Meantime, Robles back to Hayes. Reverse is good.
No one put a body on Marvin Hayes after his initial attack. Kaya naman he was free to score down low.
On the other side, Viernes. Sumagot din. And they're exchanging baskets here, partner. But for Kaida Tiles, okay lang.
Exactly. For Jumbo, offense is working. But you have to work harder on the other hand. Kasi ikaw yung humahabol ng 11 points.
Egilos nakakakuha ng libreng masahe kay Parala and nagwagi itong defense ni Egilos.
Some extra movements from both players. Egilos and Parala. Throwing elbows kahit tapos na yung play natin.
8 kontra 88. Ganda ng mga numero nila. So, Egilos will be taking 2 free throws. So, is this a good sign, partner? Nag-free throw na. Itong si Egilos.
7:27 in the clock for this game. Penalty situation na agad yung Kaida. It's helpful if ikaw yung humahabol. Because you get to score without time running down. Yung problema nila ngayon, hindi nila mapapasok yung kanilang free throws. That's 2 more misses for him after yung initial 2 ni Alvin Padilla kanina.
But they'll get another crack. Shot clock down to 6. Nowhere to go. Stolen by Marvin Hayes. And he says, teka lang, let's set it up.
Kalma lang. There's no need to rush for your team. You're up 11. You can milk the clock in this possession.
Ganda rin sinabi mo, no? Penalty nga yung kalaban. But until you make those free throws, sayang.
Attempt pa rin lang yan. It won't be helpful to you.
Terzo finding Gabawan underneath. And Gabawan wise enough to go to the other side of the rim para hindi masupalpal. So, ang kalamangan ng Kaida Tiles, sakat ng 13, 76-63. Padilla. Uncork the 3. Wala. Lopez. John Lopez. Follow-up is good.
Pero mukhang nasaktan itong player ng Jumbo Plastic. Now, it's a 5-on-4 on the other hand for Kaida.
Terzo. Will they take advantage? Tayong Tong's quick to give up a foul. And sino yung nakayuko? Egilos.
Egilos.
Holding on to the left shoulder. Let's try to...
It might have popped out. Yeah.
Baka makakuha ng report si Mitch dito on Egilos. Tingnan natin kung makakuha siya ng report kung anong nangyari kay Egilos. Still holding on to that shoulder, partner. Kaliwang shoulder yan.
Hindi niya magalaw eh. So, that's a really bad sign for Egilos.
Mitch is sprinting to the other side. Meantime, Lopez. That's Mark. They're down here by just 11 points, 76-65. Viernes. Nawala ang bola. Pinulot ni Robles. 4-on-2 break. To Hayes. Hayes blocked by Lopez. Pero ang bola tumalbog pa rin sa pabor dito sa Kaida. And may foul pa na itatawag sa Jumbo Plastic.
You've been saying it mula kanina pa. Good initial defense. Pero hindi matapos nitong Jumbo Plastic. Ang resulta, offensive rebounds and more looks at the basket para dito sa Kaida.
Billy Ray Robles. Ang na-foul ng last possession. He will throw 2 free throws. Ang una, nilinis ang ring, pasok. Meron ng 10. Si Robles. Coach Mike Buendia, paikot-ikot sa tapat ng kanilang bench.
Naghahanap kung sino pa yung di naglalaro sa kanyang kumparan because they're known for that. Lahat nung nasa lineup mo maglalaro.
Para naman sulit. Diba? Para sulit. 78-65. Back to a 13-point lead para dito sa Kaida Tiles. Tayong Tong. Hand-time shot. Didn't work. At si Gabawan, siniguradong mayabot ang bola kay Terzo ng malinis. Joseph against John. Marvin has it. In atake si Marcy, and clearly that's an offensive foul.
Easy call right there. Binaon niya yung kanyang shoulder dito sa dibdib. Itong nakatayong si Marcy Arellano, offensive foul.
That's an art, no? Trying to get that contact, sell it to the referee, pero painful art.
And yung tapang para tumayo ka sa tapat ng isang Marvin Hayes na alam mo namang napakatigas ng katawan.
Deltoids pa lang, matatakot ka kay Marvin Hayes. Oras po natin, approaching the halfway mark of the final quarter. Still Qaeda up by 13. Lopez with a miss. Hayes looking ahead. Robles has it. Transition offense. Yan ang bit-bit ng Qaeda. Kaya ang abante nila, 15 na.
Walang tumakbo pabalik para sa depensa nitong Jumbo. You can't give away easy baskets, lalo na kung naghahabol ka ng double-digit deficit.
80-65. Taganas na walang bola. Pinulot ni Terzo. Terzo, no-look pass to Hayes. And the lead is up to 17. And that's a buzzer. Coming from the bench of Jumbo Plastic. Biggest lead of Qaeda Tiles at 17. 82-65. 5:01 remaining in the fourth. Robles going for that layup para sa pang-15 puntos na abante. Habang si Marvin Hayes, yung kanyang layup. Fourth point in the game. Dito lang sa fourth quarter, 17 ang abante ng Qaeda. We'll be right back.
One break. So ikaw yung naghahabol, you can't afford to give away easy baskets. We were talking about kung paano nakakapagod yung ikaw yung naghahabol buong game. Now it's looking like Jumbo is a very tired team right now.
Arellano trying to help the cause of Jumbo Plastic. Gabawan asking for an offensive foul, pero si Marcy bibigyan ng 2 free throw.
Marcy, kinayod na lang, pinaraanan na lang yung possession na yon. Inutakan para makakuha ng 2 free throws. Mintis na naman yung una.
Tawag ni Coach Lonnie dyan, GNP. Ginawa ng paraan. Mitch, anong report mo dyan?
Chicky and Carlo, initial diagnosis sa injury ni Jamo Eguilos. Minor strain lang daw sa kanyang left shoulder nung natamaan siya kanina. Pero kung kakailanganin daw siya bumalik ng game, mukha namang kakayanin niya raw. Naka-ice lang ang kanyang left shoulder ngayon at sinistretch ito ng kanyang peti. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Mitch. Great report. At least yung mga humahanga kay Eguilos, alam na hindi naman na ganun kabigat. Although, alam natin as you go through your professional career or even your amateur career, that will take its toll later on. So, ingat-ingat no, sa mga manlalaro. But like a true warrior, Jamo says, kailangan.
Yep, and the best news is, hindi talaga dislocated. It's just a strain.
Gabawan, evading Taganas. Pero walang bumaksaw kay Robles.
Nagtutunog sirang plaka na tayo sa kakaulit-ulit ng problema nitong Jumbo. Good initial defense, good challenge for Taganas. Pero ano yung closeout mo? Viernes was standing, waiting for the rebound when what he should have done was looking for a body to box out. Kaya naman nakalusot itong si Robles for an end one opportunity and now he completes it.
Sumingit no? Sa gitna ni Lopez at ni Viernes. Si Robles.
You can't just assume na pwede mong talunan yung rebound. Maghanap ka ng katawan na babanggain bago mo makuha yan.
Arellano, siya ang tumatrabaho ngayon dito pero ang oras hindi pabor sa Jumbo Plastic. 4:17 remaining in the game. Gabawan trying it again. Same result pero this time around nakuha ni Taganas yung rebound. Viernes. And Arellano, naitawid na dito. Marcy. Drive niya. Nang mamama na dito si Marcy Arellano.
Kinakayod na nung veterano. Sinusubukan niya mag-isang habulin itong Kalamangan. Still, 15 points to go para dito sa Jumbo.
85-70 yun ang ating score. 15 ang abante ng Jumbo. Viernes for 3. Big if it's good. It's good. Lead is down to 12. 85-73 courtesy of Jeff Viernes. 3:43 to go. Walang rebounder. Isa lang ang kanyang bantay. Sumugal. Pero ito muna, Arellano. With that layup, cutting the lead down to 15. Habang ito si Jeff, sumugal. Bahala na. Pero pasok, lead is down to 12. 85-73, 3:43 to go. Nagkaroon ng panibagong lease in life dito ang Jumbo dahil sa mga ginagawa ni Marcy at ni Viernes. And they almost got that ball again. 17 to shoot para sa Kaida Tile Masters.
Nararatel dun sa initial press nitong Jumbo yung Kaida. So they're speeding up the game and committing errors. They have to slow it down right now.
Terzo with a 3. Hayes for the offensive rebound and like what you mentioned, kinakailangan mag-box out dito ng Jumbo Plastic. Joseph, initsa na lang yung bola. Taganas with that authoritative rebound. Free throw shooting time.
Now, ito yung kailangan mong ingatan if you're Kaida. You know that you're in penalty. JR Taganas gobbles up rebounds. Hindi mo makukuha sa kanya sa patapik-tapik yan pag nahawakan na niya. So you have to be smart about it and force yourself na huwag ka nang humataw when he has possession.
Etong humahataw, daming balita sa atin. Mitch Del Carmen, go, go, go!
Chicken Carla, in the exact words of the Jumbo coach Stevenson, obviously pinapatay tayo ngayon sa labas. Kailangan lang natin magtulungan pa. He didn't single out a specific player from Kaida dahil lahat ng tira ng Kaida ngayon ay gumagana. Para naman sa Kaida bench, patuloy nang pinapaalala ni Coach Mike na huwag tamarin magtaas ng kamay sa depensa. Sa ibang liga, okay lang dumepensa ng shortcut. Pero FIBA rules ito, kaya dapat mag-extra effort pa tayo para hindi sila makabawi sa foul force. Balik sa inyo.
Salamat, Mitch. Great words from both coaches. Pero more on Jumbo Plastic. Nadadali daw sila from the outside. But they're trying to do a comeback here. They're only down by 11 points.
1 of 2 sa free throws si Taganas. Luckily for them, nakakuha siya ng offensive rebound. So one more opportunity for Jumbo.
Viernes. Yung kanyang one-hander, it's good. And the lead is down to 9. 3 minutes remaining dito po sa ating laro. Viernes, may kabuwang 20 na dito sa ating laro. May press. Rios breaking it easily, but he lost control. Viernes evading Rios. Pinasa sa kanto. Lopez for 3. Blocked! Taganas, tinabik ang bola. Napunta dito kay Terzo. Oh, great defense coming from Kaida Tiles.
And then slow down on offense. Yun yung kailangan nilang gawin right now. Don't allow itong Jumbo to dictate the tempo. Pabayaan nyo silang magmadali kasi sila yung naghahabol. Ikaw, keep your own pace.
2:33 remaining dito po sa ating laro. Martinez. Pasok muli dito. Labas muna itong si Mark Lopez as Robles will be shooting 2 free throws. Pasok na muna. Meron siyang 17 sa larong ito.
Robles scored 8 points in our first half. So that's 9 in the second. 5 of 7 from the free throw line in the game.
At nang hinayang si Billy Ray sa kanyang mintes. Almost making that second one. So ngayon, itong Kaida Tiles partners sila naman na magpe-pressure from the backcourt dito sa Jumbo Plastic. Oras natin, 2:31 remaining. 10 abante ng Tile Masters. Viernes against Robles. Si Jeff, umatake, layup. Oh, sayang, hindi pumasok, but he'll go to the free throw line.
Kanina si Marcy Arellano yung kumakayod para dito sa Jumbo. Ngayon, it's Viernes. So you see that there is talent there. How do you mesh this talent? How do you control it and make it as a team? Yun yung tanong na kailangan sagutin ng Jumbo going forward in this competition. Yung Kaida, they know what works for them and they're sticking to it.
Naghihintay dito sa may gilid para sa next dead ball, si Lainez. Coach Mike Buendia patuloy na binabalasa yung kanyang bench to make sure that the right combination is inside. Another miss by Jumbo Plastic sa Lenoleum. And this time around, partner ang bola pupunta. Wait.
Wala pang review yan.
Nag-usap ang dalawang referee. And
Ball
that's the beauty of our officials here. They can correct themselves.
Yep.
Referee Jong, the senior referee holding the basketball right now. Ang nagsabi na mali ang tawag, they have to correct it. Viernes, umatake. Pasa niya. Muntik mawala. Viernes for 3. Wala. Agawan sa rebound. Taganas. Couldn't save the leather.
He's doing a yeoman's job in controlling and at least trying to control the rebounds para dito sa Jumbo Plastic. Pero in that possession, nawalan na siya ng spasyo para ma-save yung bola.
86-77. Siya mga bante ng Kaida Tiles. 2:05 remaining. Backward pressure. Pinapakita ng Jumbo Plastic. Robles. Iniwanan si Arellano. That's a good way of breaking the press. Lainez naman nagdadala ng bola. Nasa twilight zone na po tayo. Shot clock mabasa, Gis. Lainez. Tira niya wala. Taganas gets the rebound. Looking ahead. Jeff. Nowhere to go. Gives it to Arellano. Marcy. Hand off dito kay James. Shot clock down to 10. James for 3. And the exterior defense of Kaida. Ang ganda, partner.
Hard show yung pinapakita nila sa pick and roll nitong Jumbo Plastic. Kaya naman hindi sila makaborma because Taganas is not rolling.
Yes.
So you're not making them pay for showing on your guards.
Kumbaga, para sa Kaida, di mag-handoff kayo na mag-handoff. As long as we are there at Billy Robles hindi pa tapos. Sa kanyang ginagawa dito, meron ng kabuuan na 19.
From scoring just 6 points in their first game, kita mo naman yung ibang kumpiyansa ng mga players nitong Kaida. Anyone in any game pwedeng mag-best player.
Sabi nga ni Coach Mike, surprise kung sino ang aking mga gagamitin. Viernes on the free throw line, 88-79, 102 remaining. Meron siyang 23, mintis ang free throw. But they get their own miss, pero yung pasa na agad. Under a minute remaining, 9-point lead for Kaida Tiles. And partner, logic will tell me this will go Kaida's way. Immaculate record, 2-0 with 46 seconds to go. But bago tayo matapos sa game na to, tanong ko sa iyo, saan dito nadali ang Jumbo Plastic?
Well, Kaida was just the better team because they've been playing with each other for so long. Preparation is the key in this game. This is the first game for Jumbo. They had some good moments, pero moments pa lang. How do you mesh those moments together? Paano mo pagtutugtungin itong moments na yun to have one good performance?
Rebounds and free throws.
Exactly. And then one more is itong si Taganas, he's a very good rebounder, pero kailangan mo maghanap ng tulong para sa kanya.
So Jumbo Plastic will be going back to the drawing board. Ika nga, good thing, partner, is unang laro pa lang ito ng Jumbo Plastic, and we have a long ways to go. But sabi mo nga, ayaw mo umabot ka na nasa 5, 6, 7, and 8, di ba? After the elimination round, because 1, 2, 3, and 4, magkakaroon ng twice to beat advantage. At ang basa na yan, Carlo, means we're done. 94-82, 12-point lead, or 12-point victory rather, para sa Kaida Tile Masters.
Exactly. Very good start for them early on. Napakaaga pa itong ating PCPL competitions. But Kaida is looking like they will be a very potent threat in this conference.
Kanina, pinapanood kita, parang hirap na hirap ka mamili ng best player natin sapagkat ang dami na nagpakitang gilas para kay Coach Mike Buendia. But I'm sure with this 94-82 victory, this 12-point win by Kaida Tile Master, ang hinahanap mo dito, sino ba yung taong nagkaroon ng matinding impact?